once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, straight out of the oven, eggplant or aubergine with tomatoes, loads of garlic, pasta, cheese, baked, delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, so pasta. I've got a cooked pasta. I'm using a fusilli, a brown fusilli. You can use anything you want, penne or whatever. Cooked there, and I've laid it into my oven dish. So just do that because you can kind of measure the amount you need. That's one packet, which is like 500 grams. It fits nicely in there. Still got a bit of room because we're going to get our sauce and everything in there. Very simple. We're going to make the sauce now. Okay, so for this we're going to need, obviously, eggplant or aubergine, whatever you call it. I've cut it into kind of small pieces like that. You could cut it how you like. Chopped onions, I'm using red. And then here I've got garlic, ton of garlic there actually. That's like sort of 3 teaspoons of chopped garlic. Oregano or oregano, or if you wanted some other kind of mixed Italian herb or something like that, or just basil. And then here I've got some green pesto, gives it a lovely little flavour. And just there, a couple of cans or tins of plum tomatoes. Really easy. We're going to start this off with a little bit of olive oil and fry it off, get this sauce together. Beautiful. Okay, so I've got my oil in there. You can use any type of oil you like actually. We're going to start off by dropping in our chopped onions. You're going to get all of that lovely garlic in. Like I said, I've got a ton of garlic there. You really want that flavour to come out in this. Of course, you could adjust that if you wanted. We're going to go in with that little bit of dried herb of your choice. Oregano or oregano in my case. We'll hit this with some black pepper. I've got some salt here. Using a sea salt. And on this kind of fairly lively heat, just 2 to 3 minutes, stirring all the time. These are just coming together now. Just a couple of minutes there. Now we're going to introduce our eggplant, or aubergine, or brinjal, or whatever you may call that. Has lots of different names. And again, 4 to 5 minutes now on this same heat. Let's kind of fry these around, kind of dry fry them around a little bit. Keep giving it a stir every now and then. We don't want it burning. Okay, so they've come together nicely again. Still got a bit of crunch to them. We're now going to add our tomatoes. In they go. And like I say, this is 2 cans of a plum tomato that's been chopped. We're now going to get in that pesto. Give that a mix. If you wanted, you could be adding some tomato puree or tomato paste or concentrate, whatever you may call that. Now I've just lowered the heat just because of the noise levels. So what we want to do is get this heat on a medium now. And you want sort of 7-8 minutes cooking. Giving it a stir every couple of minutes. Okay, so just turn the heat off. I'm liking the look of this and the consistency. Now if you wanted, you could drop a little bit of red wine in there, maybe some black olives, or you could even chuck a can of tuna in that if you fancied that. But yeah, this is good for me, just like that. So, we've got our sauce, we've got our pasta. We're going to get some cheese together, stick it together. Okay, simply we're going to get our sauce on there. We're going to give this a little mix in, try and get as much of our eggplant and tomato sauce around our pasta, then top it with some cheese. Okay, there you go. Now I'm just going to use some of this cooking mozzarella, I suppose. It's kind of, it's fairly hard. It's not like the one that comes in the bag of water, for salads. We usually use this for cooking. Now you could be adding some parmesan cheese here, some cheddar. Add any cheese you want actually. Bit of blue cheese on there could be good if you're into that. Now get your oven as hot as you can, super hot, because everything here is cooked. All we're doing is just going to sort of bring it together a little bit. Bit of black pepper. Oregano or oregano again on the top. Super easy. Bang that in the oven. It's going to be hot, middle shelf. It's going to be about 12 minutes in my oven. Okay, there you go. Piping hot. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?